how to send fake snaps on Snapchat without using a filter for both a picture and a video. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this with a picture and also a video from your camera roll so that it looks like you actually send this as an actual snap instead of sending it to the chat. So if I were to go, for example, to my camera roll and then send this video to myself or this video and the other was a picture to myself, then you will see that I've sent these as not as a snap, but in the chat. And you want to send it as an actual snap, right? So how do you do that? Well, it's actually super easy. So first of all, you want to have your video ready. So I have this video over here, right? Then what I want to do is simply record just a couple of seconds. And then in the bottom left, you can see this plus icon. You want to click on there, and this will sort of like open up the sort of like video editor in Snapchat. Now, if you don't have that plus icon that I showed, you can also click on the plus icon on the right, kind of like under the camera switch icon. Then go to director mode, and the same thing will appear. Now here you can actually, for example, record a bit, and then on the right you have this import media button. So there's this photos icon with a yellow plus icon. That is where you want to click on. Then select the video and add this in the in Snapchat. So now that we have added this video over here, we can actually go ahead and delete this other video. And now we only have this video. So now when I click on preview, you can actually see that this is now how the snap will look like. Now this was recorded in my camera. So now I can just simply click on send to and then send this to myself. And as you can see, you can now see that right over here, you can see that this is the actual snap. So it actually sent as a snap instead of in the chat, which is really cool. So how do you actually do this? For a picture, you want to search and download this app right over here. Now, I believe it's also in the Google Play Store like it is in the App Store. And once you have downloaded this app, you want to open it up. Now, over here, it says, would like to send you notifications? I'm going to disable that real quick. And here you want to click on photo and video at the bottom. Now, first, it will give you a quick ad. So you'll just have to wait and then close this off. Then here you can actually add a photo. So I'm going to add this one. And then click on the check mark. Make sure to crop it as the Snapchat resolution. You right over there have that Snapchat thing, just like that. And then click on finish. And then it says wants to open Snapchat. So open Snapchat, and then it will import it just like that. Now that is quite nice. Then we can just click on send to, send it to myself again. Then as you can see, we now have an actual snap. Once again, open it up, and there you go. It looks exactly like you would actually send a snap. Because if we were to send it like this, and then click on send to, there you go. It looks exactly the same. So that is what you want, of course. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.